Hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Mike. I own Low Cost Mortgage. I've heard some news about the Fed, and the Fed, they're not going to drop rates for a while. And I want to show you what that impact is. It's actually not going to be very much. This piece of software I use, it's called MBS Live. It works really well. It shows data and everything else. But if you notice right here, we got kind of clunky bits of data. That's basically weekly data for 1 year of the T-bill. I want to show you guys something. I'm going to refresh the screen here. It's going to pop it back out. Now we're daily because I was able to make that screen a lot bigger. With that being said, there was 2 rate cuts that happened last year from the Fed, but I want you to see something here. There was no rate cuts from April of 2024 all the way down to the middle of September. In fact, the Fed rate stayed exactly the same, and yet interest rates came down a significant amount. In fact, down here, if you follow my cursor, government was in the 4s at this point in time. Conventional was in the 5s, and the Fed did nothing. Now, the Fed did decrease their rate by 1/4 percentage point in September 18th. And right here, look at this mark. Rates started to take off. So the Fed drops their rate by 1/4%, and then boom, rates come up, and they come up, and they come up, and they come up, and they start to stabilize. It hits a balance point. Then the rates come back down. Guess what happened in December? Right here, December. Fed cut the rate again. Rates go up and up and up and up and up and up. And now you hit a stabilization point, and now they're coming back down. This week's a little bit flat-ish on rates, but they're still down from a few weeks ago. In essence, do not worry about if the Fed is going to increase, decrease, or keep the Fed rate the same in relation to interest rates, because the correlation is usually the opposite. So when there's no Fed change, stabilization occurs, rates start to come down. When the Fed does something, increase or decrease the Fed rate, that's when you start to see turmoil, and the turmoil increases interest rates. So yeah, when people start talking about the Fed decreasing, increasing, it really doesn't matter. The market will balance out. Supply and demand of cash will dictate rates. Anyways, my name is Mike Florin, Low Cost Mortgage. If you want a really good deal on a mortgage, give us a call. Have a great day.